Want to have your selfies with a shake effect? Let's check how we can get this done. Make sure your selfies, music and an overlay of mosaic effect is uploaded. Adjust it vertically and remove the green color from the cutout chrome key option. Increase intensity until green color vanishes. Increase shadow to 15%. Add video effect fade into the very first picture. Add an overlay of black stock video. Rotate vertically and adjust it overlays the second picture completely. Now place a film strip mask from the mask option, place it right in center of screen horizontally, squeeze it completely and hit the keyframe. Add beats to your audio by clicking on the audio and match cut option. Continue to open the film stripe after each beat. Now give it a video effect called play pendulum. Click effect and adjust its intensity to 13%, twist 13% speed 25%. Add another video effect called white flash. Keep this flash effect brief and duplicate it between all beats. Add another video effect called beat. Place it the similar way you placed previous video effect, keep it shorter and on each beat. That's it, you are done. Export now. If you find this tutorial useful, please like, comment and follow.